Welcome to section 9.4 that deals with vectors. And so we'll be looking at a few forms of vectors, including the ij form and also the polar form. And so we get our first real example up front. They're just trying to get you to see geometrically how vectors behave, to always recognize that they have a direction and a magnitude. And so as we work in the first real block of problems like number 32, we're given an initial point P, which is negative 1, 4. And we're given a terminal point Q, which they give us to be 6, 2. And as you remember from your trig days, the vector I is the positional vector 1, 0, and the vector j is the positional vector 0, 1. And so we describe everything in terms of I and j. So as we go to compute these, and this is just a rehash, I guess, of your last class of examples you probably already looked at, but it's very simple in order to be able to determine what the PQ vector is. So the PQ vector would be simply the vector that is a subtraction of the 6 and the negative 1, and that's going to be associated in the x direction, so the I direction. And then it's also going to be in the j direction 2 minus 4 j. And so the PQ vector that they're having in the back as an answer is simply 7i minus 2j. Right, so let me clean that up a little bit. So minus 2j. And these are known to be the ij vectors. So that's it. That's how you do find the vector when you know the initial point and the terminal point.